In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check app permissions in Android. This process is essential for maintaining control over your privacy and security. By understanding what data an app can access, you can make informed decisions about your digital safety. Let's get started. First, open your phone's Settings app. You can find this by locating the gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping this icon will take you into the Settings menu where a plethora of options await you. The Settings app is the command center for your device, allowing you to customize various features to fit your needs. Once you are in, you may notice different categories such as network, display, and sound. This is the first step to ensuring your apps are only accessing what they need. Next, tap on Apps. This option lets you view all the applications installed on your device. By selecting this, you will be directed to a list of all your apps, making it easy to find the one you want to check permissions for. This step is important because it centralizes all your applications in one place, reflecting their current status and allowing you to manage them efficiently. You will see icons and names for each app, making it straightforward to navigate through your list. From there, select See All Apps or App List and look for the app you are interested in. This may involve scrolling through the list or using a search function if your device supports it. Identifying the correct app is crucial as permissions can vary significantly between different applications. Once you find the app, you can tap on it to access further details. This is a vital moment as understanding which app you are examining ensures that you focus on the right permissions. Now, tap Permissions. This section provides a detailed overview of what permissions the app currently has. You will see a list of different features such as camera, location, and contacts. Each of these permissions indicates what data the app can access. This step is essential because it directly affects your privacy. By reviewing these permissions, you can determine if you are comfortable with the level of access granted to the app. After that, tap on the specific feature you want to alter, such as camera. Here, you will have options like Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. Choosing the right setting will help manage your privacy effectively. For example, selecting Allow only while using the app means the app can access your camera only when it is in use. This little detail can save you from unexpected access to your personal information later. Remember, you have the power to control how much access each app has. By following these steps, you now have a clear understanding of how to check and manage app permissions on your Android device. This process not only helps in securing your personal data, but also gives you peace of mind when using various applications. Being proactive about your app permissions is a smart approach to digital safety. Always remember to review these settings periodically to ensure that your preferences still align with how you want to use your apps.